Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to talk about how to write a text file using Python. Okay, so to get started, let's create a new file. We're going to create a new file. I'm going to save this file to help us gain a little bit of time. I'm going to come over here. Okay, I do have a let's call write. Okay, so I'm gonna comment over here. Let's see if I think I'm gonna increase the font a little bit to help the visualization. Let's see, 20, 25. Yeah, this does actually. Let's see. Yeah, that's a kind of a problem here. Yeah, apply. Okay, so yeah, I think it's better. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I cannot increase more than that. So okay, so let's start. So what we're gonna do is to create a program, okay, to write text into a file. Okay, so basically we're gonna write some text into a file. So we use strings to store text, as you might remember. Okay, so let's create a variable called text, which will contain our text. So let's just write a short sentence, such as this is a string with some text. Just that. Okay. So we have this text, and I want to write this into a file. So to do that, Python has a function called open, which actually has the functionality to open in a file for writing and reading. So we're gonna open the file for writing. Okay, so let's create a variable called writer, which should be equal open. Okay. The first argument of this function is the name of the file. For instance, let's pass my first text file.txt, which is the extension. Okay, and the second argument of this function is the operation what we're gonna do. So we're gonna write. So to write a file, we're gonna use W. Okay, W, which stands for writing, and this opens the file for writing. We didn't have wrote anything yet. To write something, we're gonna need to call the object writer dot write and the string. So the string gonna write is text. Okay. So right here we're gonna write a line of text. Okay. So, but after we also need to close this file. Okay. So to close this file, we're gonna call writer.close, closing the file. So let's break it down into parts very quickly. So what we did here is to opening for writing. Okay. Here we have wrote a line of text, and here we're gonna close this file. So let's save it. Let's run. We have already executed this. Let me open up this folder, desktop, Python files. So as you can see, I have my first text file right here. Okay, so if I open up, I'm gonna see that I have this text inside of it. Okay, so that's the video, guys. I hope you have understood, and see you guys next time.